Our black leather restaurant dining and banquet chairs. First off, the overall dimensions. The seat area from left to right, we have at least 17.5 inches. Overall length of the seat area, we have at least 17.5 inches. Measurement for the backrest, the padded area, we have 16.75 inches in length by 18.5 inches tall. The height from the bottom to the top of the seat area, we have at least 19.75 inches. And the measurement from the length of the backrest is at least 18.5 inches. Overall height for the frame holding the rest area is at least 21.75 inches. Last but not least, tire height from the bottom to the top of the backrest will be 38.25 inches. Our black leather restaurant dining and banquet chair. For all questions, give us a call and visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for this product. Thank you.